Afternoon world, how the devil are you? So, coronavirus, yeah, we're all going through it. And I mean, like, look, seriously, this is Ibbot Lane. This is like one of the main roads in the middle of Marple. This is like 4 o'clock, 3, 4. Time is irrelevant now. Time has no meaning anymore. Days of the week have got no meaning anymore. Seriously, like, look, this is how bored I got. Honestly, I got that bored, I shaved my head. Cold. It's bloody cold when you come outside. I know it stopped, it has stopped, right? But about 30 seconds ago, like, seriously, this is the thing with it, it's like, it's that quiet. You can hear birds and it's not, there it is, can you hear it? It's like a lawnmower. And then it's got that bad now that I'm like looking at it and I'm thinking, yourself, you noisy bastard. And it's a lawnmower. Funny old world, isn't it? Who would have said this 2 weeks ago, eh? Yeah, well, keep on keeping on. Bonza.